stay here. Karthik is going to come back to the stage and wrap up our event.
Okay, so let's just end this event now then. All right, so yeah, they've been working for past 12 weeks in UNF digital badging. Is a big initiative we've been doing, and DSSG is one of the badges that students can get for the most intensive work they will be doing. So yes, they're presented, but they still a few more work to do that me and Dan will be reaching out to them to, again, prepare the package that we have to provide for our community partner. So sometime by end of this month and early September, they will be getting this digital badge, and then they will be displaying in the LinkedIn. And that's again one way for you to know the high caliber work the students have completed. So then for those who are here and listening, how can you engage with us? There's multiple ways. So mentoring for this internship, the research project, and Hackathon is the easiest way to engage with us, engage with the students and mentoring them. So again, just reach out to us and we're happy to guide you and walk you through the process. It's very free and easy process. And obviously, we always welcome donations, and that's how we run all of the event and the events like this too. So we always appreciate that. Towards that, so we are working on hackathon for college students that happens in the fall. High school and middle school happens in the spring. So this will be a weekend hackathon. We'll start on a Friday evening and end by Sunday evening night. So this year we are partnering with the Performance Academy, a wonderful organization, and they use arts as therapy, performance arts as therapy. So they kind of have this 3-week program where they take the kids who have disciplinary action reports on them, and then they use those 3 weeks using performance as a therapy to address those issues. So in the sense, the first week they may be punching a hole in the wall, and by the third week they rather completely change individual. Now they video record this. So the big question is, the video is recorded, is sitting in the photographer's computer, and then some of them are sitting in YouTube. So what after that, right? So this is where AI can help, right? So that's what this hackathon challenge is, right? So we want students to go through those videos, and same person will appear in multiple videos and will appear in the same video at multiple point in time. Extract those out, create a story about that individual. Now that individual may be singing, dancing, rapping, so just talking, or even that individual may be reflecting about that program that is just staying in the video that they can't use. So that is the problem we are trying to solve over this hackathon. So again, we know with GPU you can do a lot more, but those are the token and those are the power, not necessarily non-profits will have it. So this is why we really want our students to use the Hugging Face, which is a repository of different models that is there. And they can use GPU based, but really the winners would be whoever is coming with the workflow that is really low cost, regardless to whether it's CPU based model or GPU based model. And we will have a lot of sub problems, and how much more problem they're solving is going to be the determinant of the winners here. And we love to host our hackathon event at Link, and we would like to be hosting there this year's hackathon also there. And they've been wonderful partners for us. And we are also trying to add another partner into it so that we can bring the video angle and the photograph processing angle too. So should be an exciting thing. We have not yet decided the date, but it will be either early October or end of October. Again, this is open for all college students as long as they're enrolled in a college in a fall semester, but they have to be in person in Ponderosa to do it. So with that, we want to do that. We will need money to pay for the food. We need money for do the awards, and we need money for so many other organizational things, and also hosting and paying for students for many different things. So again, if you want to do and support us for any of those awarded positions, please reach out to us. That's how we can scale and do and support more students. So with that, thank you, everyone. So thanks for coming in. So when we host this big events, we need to do group pictures and things like that. So for again, all the community partners and other different representatives and other DSSG representative mentors and past interns, please stay back. We're going to take off all the chairs off the stage, and then all of those who've been involved with DSSG over the years, we are going to just assemble in the stage, and then let's do a group pictures. So before I stop, again, huge thanks to WJCT staff. We've been using this avenue for so many years, and they do just a wonderful job. I forgot to say that last time, so I really want to make sure that we give a big applause to a wonderful job they do always. And again, thanks to all our board members, thanks to all UNF administration and all the staff who work with us around the year. Thank you.